So hello everyone, welcome to this video. It's me Cubic, and in this video we're gonna watch my compiler that I wrote for my Quantum computer. So Quantum, for those who don't know, is my computer that I made in Scrap Mechanic using logic gates. In pure vanilla, there is no mods whatsoever. So it uses completely logic, just pure logic gates to do all the math and stuff. Because this computer has its own assembly-like language, at first I wrote a translator for it to just make a program card for easier coding. Code, for example, in .txt file and then just easily convert the file into a blueprint. So it was nice, but there was a lot of limitations, and it sucked, because if you made a mistake in the program itself, you wouldn't know if it was, like, for sure, if it was a program or it was you that missed a switch because of the lag or something. So because of that, I made this version. It's a compiler, and it actually executes your program, and it actually draws. It can draw stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of else-if statements, but I'm not sure if you can get rid of them. I mean, you definitely can, like using dictionary or some shit, but I don't think it makes sense to use a dictionary here. It's much easier to just use else ifs. Let's just see the code. So the code is right here. This is our program that we'll be using. The file is called qc.txt, that stands for quantumcomputer.txt, and it's the code. I think it looks pretty. Okay, it looks pretty. I love that I have this end stuff. I can use actual jump instructions without always just changing the address and doing that stuff and removing the spaces. Like if I had a space here, it wouldn't work properly, so I would have to remove it, and it would be pain. But now I don't have to do that, so I have just pointers to the places that I need to go to, and I have variable names, so I have variables, which is also very nice, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So what we do here is we're loading number 128 and store it as a variable called iterations. Then here we have a start of a loop. Again, we'll load iterations. We decrement 1. We will jump if the number iterations minus 1 is equal to like minus 1. If it's minus 1, then we'll halt the computer. We go to jump and we halt. Otherwise, we will store the iterations. We're gonna load them again. Honestly, I can remove this line, so we can perform an AND operation with number 255, which in binary looks like 8 ones. Then we store it as a variable called pos, position. We'll left shift it, and we're performing another bitwise operation, OR. And this is our X and Y position. So you can guess what this thing does. So it will draw us a diagonal line going from left to right, from top to bottom. That's very nice. That's all what the program does, but it's pretty cool. We can do like 64, so half of the line, and it will draw it quite easily. For now, that's all what this compiler can do. It can compile, it can render us an image, and yeah. So, but for now, I can finish this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.